James and Ola Jordan's big plans for this year have been revealed, with the couple due to move into their new house this spring. The former Strictly Come Dancing professionals are leaving their 5-bedroom Seven Oaks mansion with a pool for a new property, insisting that their current home is not cost-efficient and that it doesn't suit their 2-year-old daughter, Ella. James, 44, and Ola, 40, sold the mansion for £2.5 million last year, after listing it in June. The couple spoke to OK! Magazine about their decision to move, saying that the pool is too expensive to heat, and that Ella will have a playroom and a climbing frame in the garden of the new house. They said, "We're hoping to move into our new house in April/May time, which is exciting." Ola said that Ella seems more settled when visiting the new home, saying, "Oh, the other day Ella said, 'Mummy, I want to go home.' I said, 'What do you mean, we are home?' She said, 'No, I want to go home to the lighthouse, the big house. It had loads of light there.' I asked, 'Do you mean the house with the swimming pool?' And she said, 'Yes, Mummy.'" The couple are planning to give Ella her own special room and turn the study into a playroom for her, as well as constructing a really big climbing frame in the garden. On their reasons for leaving, James previously said, "With everything that's going on in the world at the moment, our old house was too expensive to run. A swimming pool costs a lot of money to heat. It is what it is. We've done it for her. Yeah, we've moved out of an amazing home, but it didn't suit us with Ella, and we feel we can hopefully give her a better life somewhere else." The detached house not only had an outdoor swimming pool, it also boasted a spacious home cinema and gym. The new owners will surely enjoy the large open-plan kitchen area with bifolding doors out onto the garden, and double-aspect lounge which opens up onto a garden terrace that wraps around the width of the property, overlooking the pool. The mansion features 5 bedrooms, including a large master. The home offers access to the M20 and the London Victoria train line, with the nearest station being Borough Green and Wrotham. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.